My name is Fred Gibbon with Lucchese Boot Company. We're talking about components today. What we're going to talk about now is heels. Depending on the last that we use, every last requires a certain heel height. Here's an example of a last with the heel for that last. There's a certain heel height for every last. You want toe spring on your last. You also want to be able to tread correctly. In a Wellington style boot, roper style boot, we have a basic roper heel. The same heel is available with a little bit of a pitch down the end, and that's called a number 9 heel. And again, you're talking about a 1.5 inch heel height. These boots are constructed with a full welt, and so this is the proper heel height for this style of boot. The next category moving to horsemen. These are 3/4 welted. So you take a roper heel, you add 1 stack of leather, same shape as the roper, but 1 stack of leather higher. And that is called a Fowler heel. If you were to take the Fowler heel and put a pitch on it, it becomes a number 8 heel. Again, these tread really well in a low profile horseman style product. Then we move into a number 3. Probably my favorite heel just because it's comfortable, it has a pitch to it, it's not too high, just treads really well with certain toe profiles and certain heels. The next one is going to be a number 4 heel, which is a little taller, 1 wedge higher, a slightly more pitch. You can also take that number 4 heel and with some categories you can put a spur ridge on it, like this boot, a number 4 heel with a spur ridge, for a gentleman that wants to wear it in the saddle with a spur. The women's heels are also number 4s and 2 fashions. This being in the number 4 heel, and again, it looks different, again, because it's a ladies' boot, and every heel is designed for that particular boot. The 2 fashion, again, is 1 stack of leather higher with a little more pitch. That's called a 2 fashion heel. Every boot that we have, no matter what the heel profile, you can also dress it with whatever color edge dressing. So you'll see a lot of different heel colors, and that's strictly by choice. We have some that we have set up based on color. We choose a certain color of heel, but all these are solid leather stacked heels. There's no plastic, no sponge, no cork, no wood. It's all solid leather stacked heels. That's your heels from Lucchese.